Hainan Island, located in southern China, is a popular destination known for its stunning beaches and breathtaking scenery. As China's largest tropical island, Hainan offers a unique combination of natural beauty and vibrant culture, attracting tourists from all over the world. The island boasts an impressive coastline with pristine white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters and lush greenery. Travelers can engage in a variety of water sports and enjoy the warm tropical climate. Hainan has experienced a surge in tourism in recent years due to its efforts to become an international travel destination. The island has invested heavily in infrastructure development and offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury resorts to budget hotels. Whether you are looking for relaxation on the cleanest beaches or adventure amidst stunning scenery, Hainan Island will give you an unforgettable travel experience. Its natural beauty and cultural richness make it an increasingly popular choice for travelers looking to explore the wonders of China's tropical paradise.